Hello guys, good day. This is Kuyationg. Magkaroon ng atong isgutan is about factoring perfect square trinomial. Okay, so adto talaga sa example. We have number 1, x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. Okay. Now, ang atong buhaton, if mag-factor ta og perfect square trinomial is to extract square root sa first ug sa last nga term. Okay, so ato extract kanang square root. So square root of x squared is x. So copy x. Then tanaw na to ang next nga sign or operation sign, which is plus. So plus. Then extract square root sa last term. So square root of y squared is y. So y. Then put square dinhi. So ang atong final answer is the quantity of x plus y squared. Okay, inara ka sa yun. We have number 2. We have x squared. Same given but minus na pod. 2xy plus y squared. So same nga process. Square root of x squared is x. Square root of y squared is y. Since minus man dinhi, so minus po ta dinhi, then squared. And that's the final answer. Now, let's go to number 3. We have 4x squared plus 12xy plus 9y squared. So, same ang nga process. Square root of the first term. So, square root of 4x squared is 4x, di ba? Square root of 4x squared is 2x, 2x, di ba? Kay unsa man nga number nga i-multiply sa kaugalingon mo result og 4, ug unsa pud nga number kung i-multiply sa kaugalingon mo result og x squared. So 2x. Okay. So write 2x here. Then next is plus. Then square root of 9y squared. So square root of 9y squared is 3y, di ba? Okay, so 3y. Then squared. Then this is the final answer. Okay? Next, adto ta sa ika-4 nga example. We have 81x squared minus 180x plus 100. Okay, so sunod, same gyapon nga process. Square root of 81x is pila man? That is 9x, di ba? While the square root of 100 is 10. Di ba? So this means that 9x minus man, so minus 10. Then in closing parenthesis, then squared. So this is the final answer. Okay? Now let's go to number 5, last example. We have 4 over 25x squared minus 2/5 x plus 1/4. So same ra gyud mga process bisan og fraction na siya. So square root, or the square root of the first term. So square root of 4 over 25 x squared. So that is atong istrakan ang square root ang 4, which is 2. Istrakan ang square root si 25, which is 5. Og istrakan square root si x squared, which is x. So that is 2/5 x, di ba? So 2/5 x. Then since minus man siya, so minus. Ignore the second term. Kalimtin second term. First at og last mag-focus kanunay. Now the square root of 1/4 is square root of 1, that is 1. Square root of 4, that is 2. Right? So 1/2. Close parenthesis, squared. So, muna itong final answer. Okay, so ina na kasimple ang mag-factor ta og perfect square trinomial.